can't hear anything. How y'all doing today? Everything good? Yeah. Hey, listen. For those of you who were at the National Sales Meeting in Scottsdale back in February 2000, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ralph, and as you can see, I'm a dog. Go ahead and get closer there. Get to know me a little bit. Yeah. Actually, I'm a consultant. Not an expensive one. I mean, this is Hills, right? Get real here. Well, anyway, when Don Bushner asked me into his office the other day and asked me to come back and speak, and I'll speak at this year's national meeting, well, you can't imagine how excited I got. I was jumping all over his furniture and,
side of the room for the groups, I'll take this one.
Excellent on your carpet there, Don. I'll be sending the cleaning crew to take care of it. Don't worry about it. Well, what can I say about you guys? You people are awesome. Yes, give it up for yourselves. Thank you. Now, you know, 2 years ago, we were in the throes of an enormous challenge. Or maybe I should say a bunch of enormous challenges. And I'm sure sometimes it felt like you were chasing your own tails. I mean, figuratively speaking, of course, for most of you. Right? But then we came to Scottsdale to get rejuvenated. Our theme was up to the challenge. For several days, we focused on our strategy. We ramped up our Operation Dog Pound to deal specifically with items. We got some exciting new products. And when we left Scottsdale, we were fired up. But I'm sure some of us were asking ourselves, are we really up to the challenge? Well, now it's a little over 2 years later, and I believe we got an answer to that question. Nick Cagliostro and Vet Central, were you up to the challenge? Did you rise to the challenge? Yes, I know. Yeah, rise up, people. Yeah, Mary Wallace and the Professional Call Center. Have you been meeting the challenge every single day? All right? Yeah. And Nick Giddo and National Accounts. What about it? Did you people meet the challenge? Nick, what about you people? Let's hear a little something from you. Woo! Man, that is music to my 30 years. Unbelievable. You people absolutely were up to the challenge. And as a result, today, market share is up along with every other significant KPI. Yeah. And you know what? You guys made that happen. You did one incredible job. You proved that you can lead. And as a result, we've got real